What should I? What should I? What should I?
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
What should I do first? What should I do first? What should I do first?
What should I do next? What should I do next? What should I do next?
What should I choose? What should I choose? What should I choose?
What should I prepare? What should I prepare? What should I prepare?
What time should I come in? What time should I come in? What time should I come in?
What number should I call? What number should I call? What number should I call?
What kind should I get? What kind should I get? What kind should I get?
What documents should I bring? What documents should I bring? What documents should I bring?
What information should I provide? What information should I provide? What information should I provide?
How should I? How should I? How should I?
How should I do this? How should I do this? How should I do this?
How should I pay? How should I pay? How should I pay?
How should I get there? How should I get there? How should I get there?
How should I respond? How should I respond? How should I respond?
How should I handle this? How should I handle this? How should I handle this?
How much should I pay? How much should I pay? How much should I pay?
How many should I bring? How many should I bring? How many should I bring?
How long should I wait? How long should I wait? How long should I wait?
How often should I follow up? How often should I follow up? How often should I follow up?
How early should I arrive? How early should I arrive? How early should I arrive?
Which should I? Which should I? Which should I?
Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose?
Which number should I call? Which number should I call? Which number should I call?
Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take?
Which line should I stand in? Which line should I stand in? Which line should I stand in?
Which room should I go to? Which room should I go to? Which room should I go to?
Which entrance should I use? Which entrance should I use? Which entrance should I use?
Which form should I fill out? Which form should I fill out? Which form should I fill out?
Which file should I upload? Which file should I upload? Which file should I upload?
Which page should I sign? Which page should I sign? Which page should I sign?
Which email should I send it to? Which email should I send it to? Which email should I send it to?
Where should I? Where should I? Where should I?
Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go?
Where should I meet you? Where should I meet you? Where should I meet you?
Where should I look for her? Where should I look for her? Where should I look for her?
Where should I wait? Where should I wait? Where should I wait?
Where should I park? Where should I park? Where should I park?
Where should I get off? Where should I get off? Where should I get off?
Where should I check in? Where should I check in? Where should I check in?
Where should I put this? Where should I put this? Where should I put this?
Where should I send it? Where should I send it? Where should I send it?
Where should I pick it up? Where should I pick it up? Where should I pick it up?
When should I? When should I? When should I?
When should I start? When should I start? When should I start?
When should I take it? When should I take it? When should I take it?
When should I call back? When should I call back? When should I call back?
When should I email you? When should I email you? When should I email you?
When should I submit it? When should I submit it? When should I submit it?
When should I check out? When should I check out? When should I check out?
When should I book it? When should I book it? When should I book it?
When should I try again? When should I try again? When should I try again?
When should I get there? When should I get there? When should I get there?
When should I update it? When should I update it? When should I update it?
Who should I? Who should I? Who should I?
Who should I ask? Who should I ask? Who should I ask?
Who should I invite? Who should I invite? Who should I invite?
Who should I talk to? Who should I talk to? Who should I talk to?
Who should I contact? Who should I contact? Who should I contact?
Who should I email? Who should I email? Who should I email?
Who should I send this to? Who should I send this to? Who should I send this to?
Who should I give this to? Who should I give this to? Who should I give this to?
Who should I work with? Who should I work with? Who should I work with?
Who should I check with? Who should I check with? Who should I check with?
Who should I report this to? Who should I report this to? Who should I report this to?